Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Fahrenheit degree symbol on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Fahrenheit degree symbol on your Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just opening a document and just click this. So you just need to know that there is no insert symbol option present in Google Docs mobile application. So instead of that, you can use a alternative like a Google keyboard here on Google Docs mobile. So by just using this, first of all, make a cap F to make a Fahrenheit degree symbol. Then just click on this number option. Then again you just need to click on this option, this particular option, which changes the keyboard, entire keyboard. Here you can see a degree symbol. So now you can see I just created a Fahrenheit degree symbol. So first you just copy this and paste wherever you want, like this. Copy and just paste it. Double tap here, paste it. Double tap here, paste it. Double tap here, paste it. That's it. So this is how you just insert a Fahrenheit degree symbol on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.